make una see Papa Tope don come again.
Open your mouth for the doctor to check you with antibiotic. Open it very well. Open it. Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Get up. Just gently get up. And go behind the curtain and take off your clothes.
Wait. Take off which clothes? Doctor, what do you mean by take off our clothes? No, but you...
Then allow me to do my job. Mama Chope, please, just gently go inside. I don't see a Frank and shouting. You're not even beating the poor thing.
Look at this. That is what I'm worried about.
Please stay out there. Yeah, come in. Let me take your far very well. What is this?
Doctor, if I take off the clothes, mind that you take off your clothes.
Papa Tope, do you know anything about medicine?
I don't know.
Then allow me to do my job. Mama Tope, please take off your clothes and spread your legs.
Doctor, spread that leg. Doctor, spread that leg again.
Papa Tope.
Doctor, why would you even add spread which leg?
Okay, you shut the door so that nobody will come inside this place.
I should go outside.
Yes.
You also said it. I will stop anybody coming in so I'll be able to do your work. Yes. I would let you just go and make sure that nobody comes in so that you'll be able to do your work very well.
Yes,
I'll mind the door. Yes, doctor, yes. About you. You said that you mind the door. That's what I'm about to do. I want to stay here so that nobody comes in. Because nobody knows anything about medicine. Yeah. If I said. Only the doctor knows something about medicine. Nobody. Young man, 1 minute please. What do you know about medicine?
I don't know anything about medicine.
Good, you are going out.
Yes,
go. 1 minute. Do you know anything about medicine?